Good day, everyone. My name is Kesavan Ravi. My matriculation number is 940929015405001. My subject is manufacturing strategy. Today, I want to discuss my case study of this assignment. First, let's we go to the introduction on the proposed case studies. This case studies is about cloth printing business that allow people to custom their clothes design any way that they would like to prefer. It is called as printing service by designing and manufacturing plant in the textile industry. People can choose the material, style of the shirt, and the image or graphic they want for the front or back. Our company offers printing and embroidery for the product like a cap, name tag, and towel to show and remain the identification of any organization from this society. We name our company Glory 8 Enterprise based on our will and determination to preserve the quality, service, and customer certification through our production. The Chief Executive Officer is Mr. Ahmad Termizi bin Rahman. This company established in 2020. We operate our business at NO1518 Jalan Kenari 18 Bandar Putra 81000 Kulai Johor, Malaysia. The purpose of production system. Let's we go to purpose of production system. Uh, I would like to propose that job shop production as a production system to this business. This is the production system that is using to produce the product from input to output in this manufacturing plant. A job shop is a sort of a manufacturing process where little clump of a assortment of a custom item are made. In the job shop process flow, the vast majority of the item delivery require an exceptional setup and sequencing of cycle steps. Job shop are typically organizations that perform custom part fabrication for different organizations. Notwithstanding, instance of job shop incorporate a wide scope of organization that a machine hardware store, a machining center, a paint shop, a business printing shop, and different manufacturers that make custom items in little partial sizes. Job shop are one of the main structure for manufacturer in the process life cycle. As volume increment and manufacturer diminish or standardize their item configuration structure, change from the job shop to cluster stream to an assembly line and afterward to scissor stream. Over the assistant cycle, adaptability diminishes because of a high volume and standardization. However, unit cost decline. The job shop is a coordinated by process, where assembly line or continuous flow tasks are coordinated in an item design. In the last design, hardware or work processes are orchestrated by the specific striders in which the item is made and the way for the each part reassemble a straight line. Let's we go to effective manufacturing process. Manufacturing process is the step through which raw material are changed into a final product. The manufacturing process starts with the product design and material details from the which the item is made, and customer order designing process. We will use embroidery, heat press, and silk screen technology that allow computer image to be applied to a shirt in high quality and resolution. Example: silk screen production, embroidery production, heat press production. Let me go to the suggestion on appropriate performance measurement tools and technique for the manufacturing plant. Performance measurement tools and technique is basically includes in- includes estimating, reporting, and overseeing progress so as a improve execution both at an individual level and at a corporate level. There are many numerous performance management tools as intended to make the process easier and more successful. Performance management tools and technique with getting more successful and remain in front of the opposition. Cost accounting is utilized internally by the management so as to settle on completely educated business choices. Sort of cost accounting incorporated traditional costing system, activity-based costing system, time-based accounting, and throughput accounting. I have choose activity-based costing system as a effective performance measurement tools and technique for measure this manufacturing plan. Activity-based costing is a technique for relegating overhead and indirect costs, for example compensation, and utilized to item and administration. Okay, lastly we go to our conclusion. Manufacturing strategy has become a subject of expanding significance to practice and research. Manufacturing can contribute fundamentally to the serious accomplishments of any business. Be that as it may, it takes manager determination, vision, and the capacity to continue focused effort throughout an extensive stretch of time and regularly despite firm authoritative opposition. These business targets are then used to create the business strategy. The business methodology ought to be created to permit the association to meet its business objective, however, be adaptable enough to oblige change. The business strategy usually is utilized to detail both the promoting technique and the manufacturing strategy. The manufacturing strategy can be characterized as a long-range intent to utilize the assets of the manufacturing system to help the business strategy and thus meet business objective. The right engineering change technique, considering every one of the four critical variables, can go far toward countering considering improvement as every one of the components impact at any rate one yet frequently a greater amount of different elements. Thank you.